When you log into your dashboard for the first time, you're going to be seeing something that looks very similar to this. Some of the text may be updated, but what you need to know is that one of the first things that we like you to do as a new driver is we like to get you set up with our insurance provider. The reason we ask you to do this right away is because it could be a 1 to 3 business day turnaround. The sooner that you can upload all the necessary documents, the faster you can get processed and approved to make sure that the car that you want is the car that we have in stock and available if there is a slight business delay in getting your subscription processed and turned around in time. So first things first, you have two options here. Uploading a photo license, which is just a similar license we're all used to, just the card, plastic ID. Or if you have a temporary license, it's one of those paper ones that you get in the mail. The government will send you out if they've stickered your old license, or perhaps you're waiting for a new one. You can actually just go ahead and upload it here. It's a slightly different flow, but it goes through the same background check from our team as well. So let's just say I've signed up for an account and I selected initially my Kia Forte. So there's a couple things that you can do on your end if you don't want to subscribe to a Kia Forte, perhaps you want to do a little bit more research. I'll show you guys where you can actually navigate. So you can actually update your vehicle in your own dashboard by clicking this button. You can update your car, the plan, the term, the kilometers, all that can be done right here. But more often than not, if you want to see all the cars that are available, it's just a little bit easier to compare if you hit browse cars. From this page as well, you can compare and filter all the vehicles based on certain categories. So for example, by brand, by body type, or by seating capacity. So for the sake of this demonstration, let's pretend I'm looking for a 5-seater. Okay, cool. So we're on Hyundai Tucson. For sake of demonstration, let's pick this car. This is the one that we want to go on that ultimate road trip with. A couple different things that you can check out on this page. Obviously, the seating capacity, the year, make, model, a few of the descriptions and trim items that this car includes. And obviously, you can go and customize your term and your payments. Again, this is something you can customize at any point in time. A Roma team member will always be able to reach out to you. One of our vehicle specialists can help you select the right car, plan, or information that you need to make the right decision if your case is a little bit different or you want to customize a plan around your needs. For the sake of this demonstration, let's pick a monthly term at 2,500 kilometers, and I can just go and hit subscribe now. When I do that, you guys are going to see it goes back to the dashboard where it's updated the vehicle that I have selected and prompts me again to upload my license.